Welcome to my Credit Monkey review. I'll share my experience and highlight its key features. Find links in the description below. Credit Monkey is a comprehensive credit repair company dedicated to helping you rebuild your credit. It emphasizes personalized service, combining advanced tools and expert professionals to tackle credit problems head-on. Whether you have inaccurate negative items or want a higher score for future goals, Credit Monkey has you covered. It begins with a thorough credit analysis across all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They pinpoint inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable items like late payments, charge-offs, collections, and bankruptcies. Then, their team directly disputes these issues with creditors and bureaus. Credit Monkey is also transparent and educational. You get regular updates via a user-friendly dashboard with tips on improving credit habits. It's perfect for staying informed and building better financial habits throughout your credit journey. With tiered plans, choose a service level matching your needs, from standard disputes to advanced solutions. Flexible pricing ensures an option for every budget, especially helpful for complex credit situations. Credit Monkey tailors its service to each client's unique circumstances. For effective, hands-on credit repair with a personalized touch, Credit Monkey is a solid choice. Its tailored service, clear communication, and proven strategies can improve your credit health. Check the description for more details to see if Credit Monkey is right for you.